This is that kind of perfume you wear to cocktail parties, evening parties, where you get to put on a pretty dress and enter into a room and you want everybody's attention to be on you. This is the sort of perfume that you would wear. What's up, you guys? This is your wing lady. I am back today with another smashing video. Yay! Hi guys, how y'all doing? I hope you're doing well, because I don't know how I'm doing today. You can see me in a sweater. I'm feeling a little bit cold. I don't know if it's the weather. It's that kind of weather, you guys. So cold, but I'm happy. I'm happy because you know what? I received this box of perfume from Jivago. Hey guys, look at that. I received this 24K perfume box from Jivago in Beverly Hills. You guys should know all about this brand, but in case you don't know, they are the first perfume brand to ever put gold flakes in perfume. You know, the new thing where perfume companies now put gold flakes in their perfume to make the perfume just shine and have this luminous when you spray it on your skin. Jivago was actually the first brand that thought of that back in 1994. Yeah, so they've been around for a while. Guys, here it is. This is their bestseller, 24K. This is Jivago 24K for women. It comes in an eau de toilette concentration. So it's for women and it's 75 mils. So I haven't unboxed it yet. I was so excited. I should have unboxed it. I know. But how could I unbox it without showing you guys first? I mean, come on, look at this beauty. How could I unbox it on my own without coming here to share with you? So today I'm just going to unbox it and just give you a first impression of what it smells like. Okay, I mean, this perfume has so much reputation. I am so anxious. I've been actually smelling it because it came in a big box and you can actually smell it without opening the perfume. That's to tell you that even though it's an EDT, the strength is not here because I can actually smell it from the box, but we are smelling it together. So I'm going to unbox it right now. So excited. Yeah. You know, guys, I'm still going to drop a review video for you guys, but first impressions matter a lot because I want to see exactly what I think when I smell it first, which is why I do unboxing and first impressions video all the time. I have to actually see what it feels like at first sniff. Wow, guys, this is a top quality perfume. Even without smell, what sort of perfume has this kind of sillage? Without even putting your nose to it, you can smell it from the box. Okay, so here we go. Okay, it smells already. Okay, I want to show you guys everything. Okay. Wow. Guys, look at this. Have you ever seen a prettier perfume bottle? Look at this beauty. My goodness. Ooh. Oh my god. Wait, I didn't see this earlier. It has... Hold on, I don't want to drop this. It came with a... Oh, this is what you put the perfume in. Like so. This is so beautiful. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Okay. I am so excited. The juice. the juice, because that is the most important part of a perfume. Even if the packaging is 100%, you still need the juice. Ooh, okay, the juice. How do you smell? But guys, before I spray it, look at those flakes that I was talking to you about. You see those gold flakes? Look at that. You see that? You see that? Good. Look at the gold flakes. Oh my God, I don't know if you can see. Look at the gold flakes. There are gold flakes on my... Look at that. Can you see that? Can you see the gold flakes? Guys, this is an experience. This is an experience that you need to experience it too. You need to. Wow. Wow. What is in this thing? I won't even lie. Guys, you know I will not lie to you. It smells like the abroad. It smells like the abroad. You know, if you have like a sister or an uncle, a family member that just came from the abroad, you know how they smell. You know how everything smells so good. It smells like that. At first sniff, I am in love. This is a rich woman's perfume. I mean, come on, it is called 24K. This is not a perfume you spray and go on any occasion. Are you understanding me? This is a rich woman's perfume. This is a perfume that you only wear once in a while to the top events. Because what? Look at the gold flakes on my skin. The perfume dried, yeah, but the gold flakes are still on my skin. I don't know if you can see that. You see that? You see how it's reflecting? The gold flakes are on your skin. If you like florals, this is going to be a heaven on earth sort of perfume for you. If you like florals, this is the perfume for you. It is heavy on the florals, you guys. The rose, the jasmine, the amber, they shine through. They come out. I scream, I am here. They are screaming, I am here. Like, wow. Wow. I just just wow. Just because I don't know what to say. Just wow. This is a luxury perfume. As you can see, obviously, it's a luxury perfume. And it smells so good, guys. It smells very expensive. It smells elegant. It smells classy. It smells like something a top tier woman will wear. Now, I'm not saying like a top tier, let's say maybe a businesswoman, something you wear to a business meeting. No, this is that kind of perfume you wear to cocktail parties, evening parties, where you get to put on a pretty dress and enter into a room and you want everybody's attention to be on you. This is the sort of perfume that you would wear. This is a formal event kind of perfume, not an everyday scent at all. It is heavy on the floral. It smells sweet, very heavy on the florals. If you like florals, this should be your thing. Very sweet, very rosy. The roses in there come through. The jasmine come through. The amber comes through. So bright, fresh. It smells a bit soapy though. So if you're not into soapy scents, you might not like this. So think of fresh, soapy, floral scent. This is what you have in Jivago 24K. First impressions. This is what I smell. Now, I have to wear it for about, some time. I'm going to wear it throughout today, tomorrow too, the day after tomorrow too. By the time I wear it for like 3 days, 5 days, I get the hang of it. Then I'll come back with a review video for you guys because I need to tell you how well it performs. Being an EDT, I don't know how well it's going to perform. But you guys, I'm going to try it out and come back with a review for you guys. But for now, as of this first impression, this unboxing, I'm sold. And the best thing about Jivago is that they ship to Nigeria. They do ship to Nigeria because I've checked. And I got this in my I'm going to give you details on my next video when I do the review, but first impressions, this is good. This is good. This is not an everyday scent, you guys. If you want to stand out in a crowd, okay, you want to stand out in a crowd, you want to be that classy woman, the classiest of them all in the room, get this 24K. It's not play, it's not by mistake that they called it 24K. Look at the juice. Look at the flakes in it. Let me not talk much. This is a first impressions video. This is a first impressions video, and oh boy, this is how it's going to stand on my vanity. In fact, I'm so scared. Maybe I should return it back into the box because I don't want anything to happen to this precious bottle, this juice. So beautiful. Goodness. Yes, I'm happy. I am so happy. Thank you so much, guys, for watching up until this level. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed already. Please like this video if you have not liked it already. And until next time. Until next time, you guys. Ciao.